Hey everybody, this is Chris Holdreed, and I have 5 easy ways for you to network with other YouTube influencers. Stay tuned. Clicking on the link in the description for tips, information, and reviews for YouTube, gaming, woodworking, photography, videography, travel, and a whole lot more. So we got 5 easy ways to network with other influencers. So keep on watching. First, what we really want you to do is introduce yourself. Start out right now, leave a comment with an introduction to your channel and a direct link to subscribe. Add a question mark sub confirmation equals 1 to the end of your channel address, and that'll be an automatic subscription click. Step 2, join our Google Plus community. To better enable everyone to interact, we created a Google Plus community. So we're putting a link down in the description. So click on that, jump on over there. It's just getting started, folks. So don't have too high of expectations that there's a lot of people there yet, but there will be. Step number 3, use your comments. Now, when I'm saying use your comments, it's just kind of like the first point. Do this on every comment you leave. Essentially include a signature with a pitch for your channel, introducing yourself, introducing your channel, and putting that link in there so that every time you leave a comment, it's basically putting out a business card. Four, choose to collaborate. It is an opportunity to be introduced to another channel's subscribers, and it's worth its weight in gold. Don't hesitate to do what it takes to get those collaborations in. It's a great opportunity to have somebody else on yours, and you can use the links at the end on the end cards. So fifth one for you is don't be afraid to help others. Lend your advice, do narration for people. You can do anything that somebody might need a hand on. Just keep in mind not to ask of others what you won't do yourself if you're on the other side and you're trying to solicit someone to collaborate with you. So those are 5 helpful hints, guys. Hope they are something that you can get some use out of and enjoy. Thank you very much, and again, please consider subscribing by clicking on the link in the description because we've got those tips, information, reviews that we don't want you to miss out on. Thank you very much.